Hey, what's happening, everybody? Zach here, checking back in, and a lot of car videos this weekend. I'm on the road visiting some friends, so I just read an article about the price analysis right now for SHIB. So yesterday we had a nice little rally. We broke out into the 5.3 range. Right now we've dialed back into the 4.6 range again, but an important line of support is the 4.5 level. If we could stay above that line, we're still in a very bullish pattern here in the short term this weekend and heading into early next week. So if we could stay above that 4.5, build back up to that 5.3, my hope is we could start consolidating there. Okay, we started to yesterday before a little bit of a sell-off here early this morning. Now, in a little bit, further out from that, if we can, consolidate at the 5.3, that next line of resistance is the 6.2 level. That's going to be the level that's going to be a little pesky for us to break through. But once we do, we've got room to run to the upside. Again, that all-time high is back up in the 8s. I think we can get there once we break through that 6.2 level. Okay, that's going to be an important key level to watch. But I would also like if we could just consolidate, okay, in that mid-5s. I'd be totally fine with that as well. And I think we're finding, some resistance a little bit there at the 5.3 level, 5.2. We did bounce back off that pretty quickly, but it's not as much of a resistance as we were going to see at the 6.3. So that's kind of where we are in the short term. Now, people asking, where do I see the price going by the end of the year? Well, a lot of that's going to depend on Bitcoin, right? Where's Bitcoin going to be by the end of the year? I think November is going to be kind of a rocky up and down the rest of the way here. I do think December, though, is when a lot of assets will turn the corner, okay? As long as Bitcoin's running high, the altcoins will follow. And as we always say, when Bitcoin runs high, the altcoins run higher. When Bitcoin's running low, the altcoins run lower. All right, so you're going to get more volatility from these alts. And with Bitcoin bouncing the way it has, we're getting a lot of volatility in the altcoin market as well. But I still believe in Shiba Inu. I've been buying the dips. I've been dollar cost averaging on my way down. Love what I'm seeing here. The other thing is big Ethereum whales are buying SHIB. I've seen tons of articles. They're buying Axie Infinity and SHIB. That's what they're buying right now. Those are the two assets that Ethereum whales are getting into in the altcoin sector. All right, so that's a great sign. They believe in SHIB long term. Follow the smart money, right? We say that all the time. That's the big money in crypto. Follow it because they know that SHIB is going places further than that previous all-time high if we can be patient. It's so hard to buy those dips. I know it. Let me know if you did over the past couple days. I know I have been sending some buy alerts to my Patreon members, and hopefully you if you want to come over and join us, that's something that interests you, I'll put a link down as a comment. So thank you so much for stopping by. That's what I've got for you. Again, a quick recap. We're at the 4.6 right now, something to watch. We don't want to break that 4.5 here in the short term. If we do, I'll be buying. But if we don't, that means we're still bullish, and we're going to probably head back up into those mid-5s later this weekend. So thank you so much for stopping by. Make